Hey, looks like a great day for an open house today. It's November 16th, and hope to catch some people coming in. Okay, the first trick to having an open house and have it be successful, that it has to be near a busy road. So I think this is going to be a really good one. This is Southwest 7th Terrace, right off Nicholas in Cape Coral, Florida. This is the best thing about this house. Would you believe it's freshwater? It's a really wide canal. You do get boat traffic through here. And I am under the tiki hut, so it's really comfortable. Gorgeous pool area with a spa as well. And it doesn't get too hot out here because it faces east. We're just going to take a walk through this house. A lot of windows, and it's very breezy in here when everything is all the way open. It's just lovely. Very tropical decor. The kitchen is adorable, and it's new. Then there's a family room. And we go into 2 bedrooms in the back. Guest room. And then a pool bath. And then another bedroom. Now all the bedrooms in this home have walk-in closets, which is kind of nice. There's also a laundry room, but I don't think we're going to photograph that. Lots of sliders, so everything could be wide open. Bedroom's a good size. And the bathroom is just adorable. So this is what you'd wake up to in this house. Not bad, huh? So you have a living room and a dining area, dinette area, a kitchen, and then you have a formal dining room and a family room. And then it all goes back outside to the pool area. And this is huge. I mean, this could be really, it's great for parties, entertaining, and it's just really lovely house. So here's a front view of the house. And it's nice. It was recently painted, new roof, new air conditioner. Oh, what the best part is the location, because it's on a dead-end road, but then again, it's right off Nicholas, so you're kind of in the middle of everything and far away. Nobody's coming down this road. New construction across the street. Beautiful homes.